Look at the picture right there. That is Captain Hook, aka Kwami. Now, Kwami get fling down this morning, and that's him right there, laid on upon the ground. Now, I talk about Kwami in the past, and Kwami is a violence producer. Him is a criminal, a underbelly, and really a bottom feeder. Kwami is not even from St. Lucia, but I am going to tell you guys who kill him and show you the dynamics of what's going on in St. Lucia, because all of this right here is bigger than you think. Let's go.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. He says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
First, let me say this. Two things. This bottom feeder, I must let Marvin top shotter. But top shotter, you understand? Him get licked down, you understand? And I know what really happened to him. But not only that, this guy, he is the one who killed Riley, that little girl. And remember that I said, cut both them and him little idiot crew was mixed up into this. And a lot of people say, oh, this, that, nah, and this. But this proves my point that the Monster Gang was a part of that. Now, I want to talk some more about the dynamics of what's going on. When the news media in St. Lucia do the news, them just kind of brush over the killing, oh, this man dead, whatever. But I'm going to tell you something right now. Muscle work with Marvin and Cutbutt. Cutbutt is Lean Back brother. Lean Back, he links with the 7 with Banan. We just want to see the movements. Now, why did they get rid of Musled? They get rid of Musled because Musled is a part of the Monster Gang, and the Monster Gang is in a full-fledged war with Graveyard. You understand? But we owe Graveyard and Marsha them doing it in a very sneaky way. And I'm gonna explain all of that. Because really and truly, with Musled, him get taken out by the Marsha man them, the Boulevard man them. You understand? I remember, Musled was a bottom feeder, because Musled, him was a top shotter, the Marvin and the Monster Gang, and him kill Riley. And it's alleged that him killed Janelle, Marvin ex-girl or Marvin girl, because them diss the girls, them say the girls, them diss the program. Now, remember, Musled was their top shotter, so now they take revenge for Musled and kill the 2 people them up by the boulevard and shoot 7 people. That is Cutbutt them, Frosted Flakes. He's retaliating for him brethren, Musled, and that was plain as day from what my intel has been telling me. Now, when the thing went down over there in Black Mali, the next day, Kwami was seen winding up, you understand, and the Boulevard man them take offense to that. Because remember now, Kwami, him flex with the 7, him flex with Lean Back them, you understand? And them take offense to that. And there was other things that Kwami do, because if you remember, not long ago recently, 3 people get killed in shop, And my intel them a tell me that he was a part of that setup and those people are from the boulevard. Plus, the Prime Minister give Kwame job to clean the area, and enough man round in that area, they don't like that and them bringle. And Kwame is mixed up in a lot of things. Now, even though he might give to the kids them and look out for people, he's definitely mixed up in a lot of things. And yeah, the marshal man them took offense to that and get rid of it. Now here comes Dunce Prince Baboon. Now, you see him a do things uniquely like he's not doing it because they're trying to throw me off as well as other government and I guess law enforcement official. But this guy here, Dunce Prince, from what my intel is telling me, him tag and him link with the marshal man them and the boulevard man them. You understand? And he is funding them to carry out certain acts. Now, this is what the intel them is telling me. And it really makes sense. Not only that, this guy right here, Dunce Prince, is also tagged with the 6th gang. Yo, I don't know what St. Lucia is coming. Remember now, Dunce Prince, even though I call him Dunce Prince, him no dunce, cause him get caught up already, you know. So now, him a do things different. You understand? We know them have people out there try feed me wrong information and them thing there. But me hip to the game. Me just play them game, you know. Make them think, yo, me fully done. But me not fully done. Now, everything what me talk about in previous videos, this video here prove what I have been saying about the girls them murder, the link with Marvin them and Pussy Hole Tis and all them boy there. You understand? So everything come to full stop right yourself. So this video here prove my point. One thing I can say, the warrior, it gonna be real terrible. Cause remember now, Carnival is tomorrow. And I don't know how St. Lucia gonna make it out. And the law enforcement them really need to step up them game. You understand? Last but not least, I heard from an intel source that the Prime Minister went to the scene. And from I know Mr. Pierre, this is the first time he ever got to the scene of a crime because I always say he was never on the scene. And I heard the Prime Minister is very upset about Kwame death. Listen, I'm gonna keep my ears to the ground. And one more thing, my name is Countryman.